Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Today I've used the Too Good To Go app to pick up a bag of food from a local bakery where they sell cakes, sandwiches and pastry items like sausage rolls and pasties, and it cost me £3.25. The point in the Too Good To Go app is to reduce food waste because many shops in the UK throw out as much as 50 to 60% of their products. So this app came about to stop people struggling to have a meal and to help the shops reduce their food waste. I haven't bought one of these for a while because the shop has been shut and now it's back open again. I was made up, I was able to pick up a bag. So let's see what I got. I got a sausage roll. These are usually around £1.10 I think. I got a cheese salad brown roll. Let's see if there's a price on it. No, but I think they're usually around £2.50. I got a Bavarian slice. It's like a custard slice with jam, so I made up because that's my favourite. I got a blackcurrant tart. I think they're usually around £1.50, and I think the Bavarian slices are £1.75. I got a strawberry charlotte. I think they're usually £1.50 or £1.75. I think they usually have them on offer, like the Bavarian slices, 2 for £2.50. And I got a big bag of ice ring donuts, which is my son's favourite from Sayers. So he'll be happy because he's got the sausage roll and the ring donuts, and I'll have the sandwich and the Bavarian slice. So there you go, lots of food, cost me £3.25, and I think there's easy enough there for 2-3 people. And what's good about it, it's already cooked, so it's going to save me electricity because I usually use my electric oven, so it's great. Everyone wins. Let me know if you've used the app. They're good because it's not just bakeries, it's coffee shops, restaurants and supermarkets as well. For example, Aldi and Morrison's also are on the app. I don't think Asda is though, and I'm not sure about Tesco. Let me know what shops you use it for. I think it's really good, and it saves me doing the cooking because generally I cook from scratch all the time, so I'm happy about that. So yeah, £3.25, absolute bargain, and no cooking for me, yay! And could you please like, share and subscribe, and bye for now.